Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am using an IKEA lantern to make an arrangement for Christmas. We need a dry floral foam to make this arrangement. We also need some artificial leaves, pine cones, and some Christmas ornaments and a ribbon bow to make this arrangement. Make a swag with artificial leaves. I have a beautiful white ribbon bow. I'm attaching a red silk flower at the center of the bow. Now we can decorate the lantern with Christmas balls, pine cones, and artificial leaves. Wire the leaves and the pine cones and attach to the floral foam. Decorate the lantern with cherries, pine cones, and leaves in whatever way you like. The arrangement is ready to display now. Thanks for watching and a Merry Christmas!